What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, first time tuning in, please consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll be doing Mustang, Jeep, Ram installs, meets, or anything car related on this channel. Today's video is actually going to be a dual install. We're going to be installing the Renegade Euro taillights with the Raxiom Taillight sequencer. I'll leave both of them down below. So go ahead and check it out. So here is the box. It was packaged nicely. It had foam on top, and it was actually in the foam insert here correctly. But these are the smoked lens Euros here. Freaking stoked. It's a plug and play. We'll go through the install process. So here we have the Raxiom Taillight sequencer plug and play kit as well. So we'll be plugging this into the new taillights and then goes into the factory hardware. We'll get into that. So I have to take out the subwoofer. So what we have here is a 13 mil deep socket and my little electric ratchet. I'm gonna go ahead, there's one right here, two, three. We're gonna take these out. This is my first time doing this, so we'll see how it goes. So the subwoofer literally was those 3 bolts, and then this clip on right here, you just press the top, pull away, and literally that's it, y'all. Next, we're gonna take these little, unstart and unscrewing them counterclockwise. And then there's one up top, 2, we switched around, 3 and 4. And we're gonna remove this panel here. All right, just a bit of advice, go ahead, lift this carpet thing up and push it back so that we have some clearance here. What we're gonna do is just go ahead, pry this off, and all this right here is gonna come off. So let me go ahead and tackle that. Take your body panel removal tool. This one here on the passenger side, just go ahead, remove it so we can get this fender liner here pulled back so we can get access to the nuts retaining the taillight. So there's 2 10 mil nuts right here, 1, 2. And then if you look in closely, right here in the middle, I don't know if the angle, there's a 3rd one right here. So that's what you want to get loosen, 10 millimeter, okay? So there's a plug right here that you're gonna have to free up for the lights. Literally just press this little tab in and pull up because the clip is right here. And what you're gonna do is now, so that we have everything loosened, we're gonna come straight out, take this little grommet, and there you clean all this up, y'all. Clean this up! All right, so now that we got the new taillights, we're gonna take the Raxiom sequencer here. It can only go in one. We get the female and the male. Here we click. What we're gonna do now is feed this through here. All right, and then just go ahead and get the grommet back in. So it's sealed. And just install this the way you took it out. So here you have it, factory. The smoked Euro look. I also checked the sequential, but I'm gonna save that for the end. It looks really good. So let's go ahead and do the passenger side, same thing. Starting with this, remove the liner, the 3 nuts, and take the tail. Here's the finished product. And let's go ahead and do it. There you go. So that's the Raxiom sequential right there. So there's the hazard lights with the sequential. She got a big booty.